Welcome to Changes for a Lifetime. Stay tuned to learn how to make this delicious cornbread with no eggs. To make a flax egg, 1 tablespoon of flax ground seeds, 3 tablespoons of water, and we're going to leave it in the refrigerator for 15 minutes until it thickens up nicely. And this will be the equivalent of 1 egg. This is after 30 minutes. Okay, you did thicken up more. I think this is perfect now. This is how you make a vegan flax egg. This is perfect for baking something where you don't want the flavor to come through. Like sometimes you can replace an egg with a banana. Well, this case, I'm making cornbread and I don't want a banana flavor in it, so I'm making a flax egg. Perfect for the vegan in you. Milk. I'm using almond milk. I'm going to put the rest in. 1/3 cup of water. Kind of has a cake dough consistency. I'm really looking forward to this. I sure hope it tastes good. And then, of course, our flax egg. They said don't mix it too much. I think that's good enough. I'm going to mix this up and bake it on 425. I'm going to fold it over for 17 to 19 minutes. So I'm going to have this cornbread with greens. Well, here's the finished product. It definitely looks like cornbread. Oh, yummers. Okay, you all, the moment I've been waiting for. Let's see how this vegan cornbread tastes made with a flax egg and collard greens. I'm going to taste these, make sure they're right. Perfect, perfect. Wait, I'm definitely soulful. Gotta dip my cornbread. Crunchy. Good texture. Great flavor, a little sweet. You cannot tell it is not made with an egg. You all, this is so good. You all have to make this at home. There's no reason to skimp on flavor because you give up dairy. This Famous Dave cornbread with a flax egg, you all can do this. It is so delicious. So I've got my little friend right here next to me, my fermented garlic. If you want to know how to make it, it is really simple, you all. It just takes time. Make a note in the comment section that you want to see this being made, and you can learn how to do it. So if you learned something, subscribe, like, thumbs up. Peace and blessings to you and yours.